Hi ladies, hello. So today we want do eyeshadow tutorial. We don't do what you need to start your makeup. We don't do how to shape your brows. We don't do brows. So today now how to apply eyeshadow. Within then they call which area of the eye, which color good for that side, which brushes you need use for that side. So hope say you don't hit the subscribe button. If you never hit, I beg hit them now before you tell me say you forget. So without maybe no waste time, maybe just start. So so when you open your eye and close, you see this line where they divide your this thing, right? Then they call this side crease area. This side when you open and close, it will disappear. Some people know they disappear, but my own they say. Then they call them crease area. This side, the downside, they call them eyelid. This side they call them outer corner. This side they call them inner corner. This side they call them lower eyelid. This thing with the call am waterline. I go still display picture where you go take see so you go understand what you dey talk. And when you want to do makeup, it dey good make you start from this side. This side do darker colors. This side you do lighter colors. If you do darker colors for here, it dey bring out your eyes. It dey make your eye like it dey accentuate your eye. It will bring out your eye well. Instead of putting lighter color and deeper color here, except you want do wetin they call am smoky eye. That smoky eye they just one color, but if you want use two colors or three colors, they use darker colors for this side. Darker colors why they talk now like this, like this, like this, and they need be powder like those matte. It need be matte, they know they use shimmer for this side. Then another one way they call transition color. This one they use for your crease area to make them blend your darker and your lighter color. Then they call them transition color. This one they good. This one too. This one the lighter matte colors. They use them for crease. But if you are black like me, if they black like me, orange they fine, brown they fine. For your crease area, you know say no just apply eyeshadow for this your eye like this because the colors no will come out. So you need apply eyeshadow primer or your this thing concealer for your eye, and we dey apply small, not too much. You fit use your hand blend or use beauty blender. And my mind tell me ma use my hand now. So na my hand I dey use. So I dey follow my mind. We go blend am down here too. This one na just to make the eyeshadow pop like. Another important factor now, after you use your concealer do here, you need set am immediately. Because if you no set am, when you start to open close your eye, that line when you dey get for your eye, you will come cut. You can't see the marcation for your eye, and you don't need that. So you need set your conceal area. So we will start with this brush. That's this brush G, right? They flat. Now this one I want when you use with your eyeshadow, if you use and press in. This brush then it dey fine for this side of the eye. So I can use this dark shade burgundy. I will take am. Start to press am in. I go dey tap am. If you no do, I go back, go take more. Press am in. You just, as I say, you darker colors they find for this downside of the eye. As I don't bring and come to, you know, they dark enough for me. And as you dey apply your eyeshadow, you need build them up. You know, just black for eyeshadow. Black, they very, you need be very careful when you want use black, because some black no they move. If you put them, they know they move. So I dey like black of this flawless ivy. So I go just go still with that same brush. Take small black, just small. Go back that place again. Go apply. You can make them dey very. So I don't deepen the color of that side. Brushes where you need use when you dey do makeup like this. I think say these are the most important set of brushes. This one now for your blending. This one very important. This one. This one for your lid area. You know when you want to apply those bright colors, you use this one. See as it dey flat, it dey precise. So I could just this one for your inner corner. You want like I use them apply them, so you use dab them in. This one for your outer corner. See as it dey. You want to apply anything for this side. This one for your waterline, and when you want tight line your this side too, you use this one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 brushes, they very essential when you do your eye makeup. I want use orange as my transition color. I go use my blending brush, go take them, dust out the excess. This one I need dust them out. Then I go in. See as this line where they very sharp and it's not looking fine. I go use and soften them now. And I go in a circular motion. This side, this one they take time, so you take your time. And I dey take them in into this side too. So now wetin they call transition color be this. See, it match my skin tone and it make this thing soft. See this brush why I say you dey angle like this for your lid area. I'll come use them now. I dey think which shimmer to apply. But I might apply this one or this one, or even this one. I think I'll go for this one. I will use them now. I know do cut crease or anything. I tap them in, then go ahead and apply. See this side eyeshadow they use for this side. See this glitters, um you can't blend it, so you can't put it here. It's good to just put it in your outer lid area, and with this kind of brush too. I'll go in with this one small to help in the transitioning. I just apply this one with the like burgundy too, so that it will transition. Since I use burgundy and black for this side, you see this smaller brush I've been saying they use for this side. I'll come take am now. Still use that burgundy to smoke out my lower lash line. This one you won't do if you want add drama to the eyes. Then I use this one to line. If I want line my lower lash line and my water line too, I'll just go in. I dey always say line your water line because it dey bring out your eyes. It dey make your eye this thing shine. You whiten your inner eye to shine out. Let's recap what brushes you need for your eye makeup. Blending brush. This flat brush for the outer area. This flat angle brush for to apply for the lid area. This one to draw your wing line and to conceal your outer and water line. This one for your tear dot or inner corner. These three. And the eyeshadow you need mattes. This one with the like powders. This one with the like shimmers too. But if you want to ask which one is more important, this one with the like powders they important because if you still use them for this inner corner. This one they very versatile. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Hope you learned something for today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe bell. Support your girl, subscribe and turn the notification on. So until the next video.